guys, so Megan, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be opening in season 5. Not my first time, I opened one. I didn't think that into a video though. Packet of stickies and another packet of stickies and that's all. So let's get right into this. I'm gonna start by doing stickies. Ooh, I got a new one. The black one. So yeah, I got that. This is a black one. If you don't know what stickies are, guys, it's technically a thing that sticks really well. Like it sticks to the ground like that with the little bit here. It just sticks. You just go up and down with it. Yeah. Step to the side. Let's see which one I got. This other one. I don't open it. There we go. I'm pretty sure I have this one, but you know, stuff on the stick. It's a glittery one. It's a glittery one. So let's open this. It's got plastic around it, so I've got a pen here just to stab it with because I'm not in the yours. So I'm pathetic to just get off on this one. And like it's got plastic around it, and they're so cute. Oh, but I don't think that's fair. I've got like little bags in there. Oh well. I hope I don't really have these ones. I'm dumb if I have. Ooh. Feels like a boot. Feels like a boot, you guys. I hope it's not like. Yeah, it's a roller skate, guys. I can already see the roller skate. I already know what this is. It's like a rubbish one too. Oh wait. I thought it was red. It's pink. Oh my goodness, it's a pink roller skate. So if you don't know what pink is. Boom. That's what I'm chucking in. Next time over here. You also get checked. Oh, this one feels kind of round. There we go, here. Good. Open. Yeah. Ooh. I like it. It's like a little. Ooh, it's a kiss. A little kiss. Little kiss. You can put them at the end of your pencil. At the tip of your pen lid. See how cool this is, guys? Let's see. Look at the sheet. Apple blossom is a pink. These are glow in the dark. I don't know what this one's going to be. Also, I think it's. So I got a rare. And then Lola Rollerblade. She's a rollerblade, not a roller skate. So she's a rare. And then which one did I get? Again, like the treat. Then bakery. She's a white, and I'm pretty sure that's a common. Yeah, she's common. That's okay, guys. I get a bunch of commons. Don't worry about it. Just don't. If you want to kill people for this, please don't. That would be vandalism. I think. I don't even know what vandalism would be. To be honest. So I got the kiss in the. Of course, I got this one in the. Wait, no, I didn't. I got the kiss from the. Yeah, I got the kiss from the blue, and then I got the pink from the pink. I can probably put the stickies in here too. Oh my god. Oh, you can try and wedge in it, I guess. Wedge you in there. Wedge you in there. No, I'll probably fit in with the creamy one. I don't want them. Well, actually, I do because it's not gonna eat it. Like the black one. The black one will probably eat it. So yeah, I think I'll fit both of them in. These are space stickies, guys. They've done like triple stickies too. They've done underwater stickies. It's amazing how cool you can get from little, purple littles, actually. And I've got so many treats here too for myself. For me only. Guys, this might only upload like tonight, like at 9. It's like an hour. It takes like an hour to upload. So yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. I feel so bad. What? No. I got a new one, by the way. I